How to upload long video on Facebook story. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. First, open up the Facebook app on your device. Now tap on create story. From your gallery, if you select a long video, let's say this one, then here it says that longer videos are shortened to 30 seconds long, but you can trim them first. If you tap on trim, you're going to see that the video is limited to 30 seconds only. So no matter what you do, you're not able to exceed the 30 seconds limit. So for this, what you can do is you can upload this story in your Messenger. So now you want to open up your Messenger app, then tap on Stories, and now tap on Add to Story, and from here you can select the same video. Now I have to warn you that this only works if you have not updated your Messenger app, because after the latest update, here you can see the same limitation of 30 seconds is on Messenger as well. So if you have not updated Messenger, you can post the story in Messenger app. But if you have already updated, then here you can see there's no option to exceed the 30-second limitation on Messenger as well. So in that case, the only thing you can do here is go back to Facebook, and now you just want to trim the video to 30 seconds, tap on done, and now tap on share to post that video. After it has been posted, you want to tap on create story again, then open up the same video and now tap on trim. And now you want to drag this to the 30-second mark and now tap on done, then tap on share and post the second part. And now you can keep doing this until you have posted all of the video in these parts. And that is how you can upload long video on Facebook story. We hope you guys found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.